show you an unboxing of another semi-pro 2S machines. I say semi because these are kind of like toys. Most of these are brushed. I put the brushed cars on this side, and I think the only things that are really brushless is I have these Remo Hobbies here. These are all what you'd call probably bag good specials. A lot of them call them that. I call them semi-pro 2S machines. This is the Remo Hobby. The brushless is a 1635. There's the brushless. I put oil fill shocks on it. I really did this car up pretty well. You can do 3S, but you risk the chance of running out diffs and things like that. Here's the brushed version. And that's just got a 540 motor on it with a heat sink. Maybe a good fan. I have a 3S ESC I could throw in there. Now with brush systems, they have what they call a 3-in-1 ESC. Controls the speed. So this is brushless, this is brushless, this is brushless. And I believe that's all this brushless. Here's the brushed version of this. That's the brushed version of the brush. That's brushed, this is brushless. Again, like I said, the brushed version of this. This car's overall top speed is fast. I would say this probably rips a little bit better, but this car is obviously better with a brushless system. These two are the Hoseam. All of these are Hoseam, which would be Xinglehong, except for these Remos. And this here, I'm not sure what this is. I got that online through somewhere, and I got it through the mail. Other than that is Legendary, Legendary, and Legendary. Now, Legendary is also very similar to Xinglehong, as this is this exact replica of this with 6 shocks. And this one is oil filled, a little more money. This is the 9125. This is also an exact replica of the 9125. It even has a stamp on it, 9125. It's a brush 2S motor. Exact same thing too as the Triton, just a little different. So it's not exact, but pretty much the same deal. The Sonic Legendary is great. I actually have 2 of these. They rip great. You can drive them underwater. Really awesome. A lot of attention with this one. This is a 1/12 scale version of this with tires, made by Hoseam as well, which is Xinglehong. This is called the Q901, Q902. The only one I'm missing is the Q903. These are brushed as well, and both of these, the green and red, take one S on each side, making 2S, the long glue batteries. So, and these cars are very fun. All of these cars are very fun and better than your average toy RC car. So the fun factor, and they jump and stuff like that. This one here will do a flip. So we got that. I really like ripping this one around. Even these little cars are tons of fun. So any one of these, very fun. Can anybody guess what the cars I have are? What's in the box?
I say it's another one of these. The third one. Whatever.
So you're saying the Q903?
That's correct.
Alright, Kat, what you got?
I honestly want to say another Legendary.
Another Legendary. Okay. Could be another Sonic, another Triton, or another Legendary truck, because I believe that's all I've seen them make.
Either one of those or the one that actually has the actual Legendary on the body of the car.
What do you say, Robbie?
I'm going to have to go with Teresa on her decision.
The Q903, huh? That certainly would be nice. This one here I haven't even driven yet. This, if you look at my videos, I've driven it. Definitely jumps, definitely does all that stuff. Like I said, these are fun cars, I mean, no doubt about it. So yeah, let's find out what's in the box, but first, see what we got in the mail today. It's from Maine. Looks like we got a racing fan. That's actually in my Typhon, on top of my Typhon Max 8 ESC, the TLR2 Typhon, that is. I got a blue one as well. I believe they're 14,000 RPMs. Not really sure. I forget. This one here is a pretty good one. It's a racing. And then I got a black version as well. Now again, these are 30mm fans, 30 by 10s, and they'll fit any standard 8th scale ESC or most 8th scale or any type scale fans. I would just throw a shroud on them or something like that. And then I got some M5 lock nuts because I lost one off of my V-Carb Bison V3. And then I got some M5 red ones. Let's see what else we got here. We got the Armor Creighton Extreme Bash Fast Eddy bearings. And we got the Phantom 30mm fan. Now the fans, most fans I use are 30mm, so it's nice to have these to fall back on. And more M5 lock nuts. We got more bearings, double sets for the Creighton or Italian, Typhon, Mojave, either one of those. And these ones are Maximum RC. These have APEC 5. I don't know exactly how that works, but I'm pretty sure that these are a little better. So I think the Fast Eddies are APEC 3. And then I got the Armor Creighton 8S bearings. And again, that's Maximum RC. What is it, guys? What it is I broke the bulkhead again on my TLR Typhon. I went and I used some Corrali. I call them cameras, but they're spacers. They go on the hinge pins between the arms to keep it stiff and still flexible. I had to order this, but you have to order the arms as well with it, so a couple extra arms with it. But really, I just needed the spacers. Teresa, you said Q903.
That's correct.
Kat, you said
Legendary.
legendary car.
Q903.
Q903. It is, so yes, Q903, Teresa,
Totally awesome.
Beast Rock, you got it. Good job, guys. Another bag good special, but I'm telling you, the fun cars. As you can see, I've been collecting for years. Let's see what we have in here. Looks like they got some new designs. They got the new remote type scheme. Put it brushless. Jump it really good. So another collection to my Bang Good specials. Get some oil fill shocks. I always like this one because it seemed a little longer, even though it's probably not. I don't think they're exactly the same design, because if they were, they'd be the same thing. I mean, I guess it's possible that they just changed the body, but as you can see, this definitely has a different body. This has more of a truggy body.